everybody, this is BPT1875. Welcome back to BPT's Let's Play. This is back on normal mode. If you may notice, I done the forest on easy, but I done this whole these whole levels in normal mode, and now I'm at the research facility. Here we go. No, there we go. Here's the cutscenes. Okay, let's do this. Gotta get this done. Robot butt. Robot. The alien it's robots. Jesus Christ. Meh. What? There we go. Sorry if I'm not talking. I'm not being random right now. Here we go! Next cutscene! Oh no! Pikachu, no! Well, somebody's gotta stop it! Uh-oh. This is trouble. Let's do this. Meh. Fiddle. Oh yeah, come on. Don't know what to talk about. Oh boy, this is... I might get through this. I don't know. I mean, this is like an order you have to do. This is the first level you have to do. Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Meh. Oh yeah. Woo. I have no comments for this. But this is a cool little tip. Ain't that good? Ah, great, I'm spamming. Baseball bat! Nah, I need a key. Now baseball bat. I want to start smacking people with a baseball bat! Ugh. You know, I feel like all these stages like the back of my freaking hand. So that's why I'm pretty good at this. But yeah. No. Great. Huh. Woo. Oh, damn. Oh yeah. I don't know what to talk about. At least this takes good. Look how fast I am. Look at this, it's freaking fast. to the next door. I want to think these again. I want to get the extra points. Like I said before, high score being enthusiast right here. Next door, please. Alright, basically you just got to crawl. No time for taunting! There is no time for taunting in Subspace Emissary. Or at all. Meh! Why do I just keep getting hit myself? Yay. Just press this button and not again! Seriously, why? Do we keep doing that? Meh! Don't need a flower anyway. Items are useless. It's a baseball bat! Next door. Move. Like I said, I need... Oh! Yes! Next door, please! Man, I'm gonna get through this fast. Well, unfortunately I can't, because I want to get the points. Watch out for those rob launchers. They can really get you. They can really get you. They can really attack you with those freaking missiles. They follow you wherever you freaking go. Nah, nah, nah. Oh. Yay, next door. The music in this game are awesome! Meh! Crap. Crap. Ugh! How do these giant things get in here anyway? You're trying to jump, but you can't get me. You can't get me, Bison. You can't get me. Cause I'm awesome. Projectiles are a good thing when you're trying to get the slime. Shield yourself! Damn. Man! How am I feeling? Damn. Oh yeah. Metal pyramids are just the worst! Yeah! What? Come on! Oh, come on! What? Oh, baseball bat! I should have hit him with the baseball bat! Damn it! Next cutscene. What's going on over here? The power suit! But where is it? We might just have to find out on the next episode! Which is coming later on. I got lots of freaking time! Seriously, why do I get so freaking time? God. Oh god. Zero Suit Samus has joined our team. And also Pikachu joined our team. So stay tuned for the next episode of Let's BPT's Let's Play. See you later, people.